Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Social. This powerful platform simplifies your social media management, allowing you to oversee all your online activities from one central hub. You can connect several social media channels, such as Facebook, Instagram, and X, to manage them efficiently. This tool is designed to help you save time and maintain a consistent brand presence across all your digital platforms, making your social media strategy more effective. Zoho Social makes publishing content straightforward. You can craft a single post and publish it across multiple social media channels at once, saving you valuable time. The intuitive content calendar allows you to visualize your entire posting schedule, making planning simple. For maximum impact, use the Smart Queue feature, which suggests the best times to post when your audience is most active, ensuring your content reaches more people. Staying connected with your audience is crucial, and Zoho Social provides robust monitoring tools. You can track brand mentions, specific keywords, and hashtags across all your connected platforms in real time. All your incoming messages and comments are consolidated into one unified inbox, making it easy to manage interactions. This allows you to engage directly with your audience, respond to inquiries quickly, and build stronger relationships with your followers. Understanding your social media performance is key to growth. Zoho Social offers in-depth analytics, providing detailed insights into how your posts are performing, their reach, and overall engagement. You can generate customizable reports, complete with clear charts and graphs, to easily visualize your data. These reports help you understand your audience's demographics and content preferences, enabling you to make data-driven decisions and continuously refine your social media strategy for better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.